Yes, I'm Steve Fingerhut from Sandisk. I'm a Vice President of Marketing for the enterprise business. Sandisk has been around for 25 years. They're actually a pioneer in flash technology, inventing flash and the SSDs that we use today. And just in the last few years, they've gotten into the enterprise business. So we're well known for our retail products, but enterprise is a very important, fast-growing part of the market. And so we've invested in multiple product lines, and we'll talk about more of those later. Big data, the challenges, the data sets are growing quite rapidly, which creates a challenge for the IT administrators that are using this. Their users want to grow very rapidly, which puts stresses on the system. They also want fast access to their data to support the business decisions they're trying to make. So SSDs are the fastest access to storage that you can have, and so they go well when you have a large amount of data. If you can use SSDs strategically, you can greatly increase your performance and increase your business results. So big data means a lot of different things to different people, and the way we're thinking about it is clearly Hadoop is part of the big data sphere. NoSQL is very important. In-memory compute, things like SAP HANA or Gigaspaces that are used for real-time analytics are important, as well as there's an emerging use of e-discovery. So when companies are in lawsuits, their emails get searched, and that becomes a big data problem given the number of emails we all generate. So SSDs can help Hadoop and NoSQL with very fast access to the storage. They can help in-memory compute by essentially extending the size of memory, so you can get to larger data sets in your server and at a lower cost than you could through traditional memory architectures. And then finally, with e-discovery, we have a product where we can actually have server-side caching in front of your storage, so very cost-effectively increase the performance of storage. And as these email indexes grow to terabytes of data, that becomes a very I/O-intensive problem, and SSDs, as well as our FlashSoft caching software, are ideal for accelerating those and actually cutting the cost of the legal searches by thousands of dollars. So I can point out a few of the products that I was talking about and how they apply to big data. Great, so I mentioned how SSDs can help accelerate big data, and our products here are the Optimus SAS SSDs. So these are SAS SSDs, so very high reliability, high performance interconnect, and they can get to very high capacities. These will go from 200 gigabytes all the way up to 2 terabytes, which allows a very efficient hard drive replacement or can help accelerate a very large data set. Our cloud speed SSDs are the SATA protocol, so these are the best in terms of dollar per gigabyte and really popular with cloud companies. We see a dramatic increase in NoSQL performance, such as Cassandra or MongoDB, so really great fit for those NoSQL big data workloads. And then we have over here more of a high performance line, Lightning SAS SSDs that are more targeted for the very highest end of enterprise storage and servers, and you'll see those for really the mission critical workloads, or even like SAP and their HANA implementation to really drive high performance in-memory compute. So this is Sandisk's most recent introduction, our product that we've introduced most recently, which is the UltraDIMM, which is a DDR attached SSD. So this is the first of its kind where this is actually connected directly to the server processor on the DDR bus, and that allows very high performance and very efficient scaling. So we can add 2, 4, 8, 16, and we'll see linear IOPS performance, as well as the latency will stay perfectly flat. So this is a really interesting product for really multiple types of applications, but for in-memory compute, this can very easily extend the working set size of an in-memory compute application. So you can get to multiple terabytes in a system for a fraction of the cost that you would use with traditional DRAM. So thanks for your time, and please follow us on Twitter at Sandisk Data Center, or you can find more information at sandisk.com/enterprise.